Hey, what's up, traders? Welcome to the update for the Aussie dollar. So, in my last analysis, I was predicting the short from this zone, and my target was down below here, right? So, I have to change this target because the thing has changed, right? That's the market. So, we have to. We have to, of course, change the things. So, what I'm thinking right now that is happening after this reaction, let me remove this after this reaction on this weekly zone and the break of this 4 hour trend line, I'm thinking that the price will retrace back down into this demand zone which caused this break, right? So I'm thinking that here will be the more accumulation of the power to move a bit higher because yes, we can see that the banks has been quite significantly bearish, but we can see that they are actually closing their shorts. And as well, recently we can see that there is some growth in the longs positions, right? As well, we did not have the data for this recent drop, which was definitely the manipulation. And I'm sure that if this happened with such a strong pullback and the rejection into the weekly zone, I'm thinking that we will see some stronger long positions, and as well more shorts closed down on these lows in the report which was reported here on this Tuesday, right? So yeah, I thinking that it's changing to the bullish, and definitely it's possible to take a short if you enter it based on my previous analysis, which you should do definitely your own analysis, but the target should be not far than zero point 0.7, right? So if that happens, if the price comes back down here, I will be definitely targeting the level above this zone, right? So currently this daily zone is taking the price lower, and we will probably see some drop in here, and it will create some structure with some trend line. If that will start to break in here, that would be amazing entry for the another long, right? So where to put target? Of course, we can go much higher than this, but it's good to go from the level to level. So in here, we have actually another daily zone, and we have this daily trend line. So what that could bring back to the market is some, retracement. So that's what we don't want to. We want to have we want to trade some nice impulses, some nice move, and then we don't want to be back in the trade, still in the trade when it start to consolidate. So yeah, I think we're gonna get this pullback right now, and then we can get the move higher above to these levels, right? So the short-term target definitely not below this zone. Okay, my friends, happy trading. Bye bye.